Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And finally we are back with another video. In this video, I am going to give you the latest version of Smartgaga. ID will work in low-end PC. If you have 2 GB RAM, you can still play Free Fire on ID. This version has so many features like replay, problem solve, and lag problem. And also I am going to give you the link of Free Fire Ob41 Amazon Store x86 version. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the end of the video.
Had to run it up, had to get up. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she gets so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it up, had to get up. Had to get out, had to spin up. When I roll up, bet that little bitch throw up. Bet I make her sick now, had to glow up like the sun, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. She say I'm the one, yeah. But I don't believe the lies. You should apologize, yeah. Cause I won't be the guy that you lied to, no. You can't waste my time, cause I ain't got no time to waste, yeah. Money in your face, yeah. Counting all these racks, money so long. I told her goodbye, had to float off. I can't take no L, can't take no loss. She get cut off, told her so long. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she get so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it up, had to get out. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she get so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it up, had to get out. Do you know right from left? You never do right. You be right here while I'm too right. I got money on me, you walk too light. I walk too heavy, pull up in a Chevy. Don't hold the brake, yeah. I can't fuck, I want the hay. Hey, told that bitch to come pull up. Uber, I might have the scooper. And I'm ballin' now, NBA hooper. Counting all these racks, money so long. I told her goodbye, had to float off. I can't take no L, can't take no loss. She get cut off, told her so long. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she get so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it up, had to get out. So long, told her so long. Had to leave that girl alone, she get so lost. I got money on me now, had to count up. Had to run it up, had to get out.
Guys, I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video or if this video is helpful for you, then like the video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends so that they can play Free Fire too. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.